we do the total business of weather communication in a pretty unique way in the United States. NOAA's responsibility is to gather the foundational observations. No one can make a forecast without them. We actually gather them from countries all around the planet because you cannot make a forecast for anywhere in the United States that's more than 2 days long unless you've got measurements from the entire globe. So there's a tremendous international exchange of that foundational information, so global forecasts are possible. And we put a certain set of basic forecast products out. And then we stop. We work directly with public sector managers, folks like governor's offices, state emergency managers. But the rest of carrying that information to all of you as viewers at the general public, providing it to the agribusiness firms in the Central Valley or to the wine growers in Russian River or to the airline companies, that's an entrepreneurial space. In our country, that's a private sector enterprise. And we think of the weather enterprise as being both the public and the private elements together. So the short answer with that backdrop is, yes, you've got commercial companies vying for market share. You have broadcasters vying for viewer loyalty. And they know from their polling and audience studies that the weather broadcaster is one of the loyalty points because of just what Hunter said. This is a natural tie point. Everyone's got this kind of interest point. So yeah, they want to draw your attention. They want to make sure you look back again frequently. Keep it being in the news, keep it coming back. Nate Silver has pointed out, if you look at the way they express the weather to you, they actually slant the results. If it's generally benign weather and low probability occurrences, the broadcast community will slant the results in a way that they think helps you better manage your expectations. You're going to be madder at them if they didn't tell you to take your umbrella and you got wet than if they told you it'd be a good idea to take your umbrella and you didn't get wet. You'll be happy that they had you prepared and grateful that you didn't get wet. So they'll give you, whereas we might put out 25% chance of rain, they'll put out 30 or 35 to manage those expectations. When the consequence of the weather gets more severe, tornadic outbreak or hurricanes, or the probabilities get high enough, then their broadcasts come right back to holding true to what the NOAA data are saying.